Comparing Yulan to other amphibious assault ships.
Introduction.
The Yulan class, officially designated as the Type 076, represents a significant advancement in China's amphibious assault ship capabilities.
With its unique design and operational features, the Type 076 is garnering attention both regionally and globally.
This report will provide a comprehensive overview of the Type 076, highlight its key features, compare it with its predecessor, the Type 075, and analyze its international counterparts.
Key features of the Yulan Type 076. 1. Twin island superstructure. One of the most distinguishing features of the Type 076 is its twin island configuration. This design is not only aesthetically significant but also functionally advantageous, allowing for a more effective separation of navigation and flight operations. Similar designs have been observed in the UK's Queen Elizabeth-class aircraft carriers and Italy's Trieste LHD, both of which underscore a modern approach to enhancing air operations aboard naval vessels. 2. Enhanced air operations. The Type 076 boasts a larger flight deck than its predecessor, facilitating the operation of a more diverse air wing. The anticipated installation of a catapult system, likely an electromagnetic aircraft launch system EMALS, will enable the launch of heavier drones in fixed-wing aircraft. This marks a paradigm shift from traditional amphibious assault ship capabilities, which primarily focus on rotary-wing aircraft. 3. Size and capacity. With dimensions estimated at approximately 864 feet in length and 141 feet in width, the Type 076 is larger than the Type 075 yet smaller than the new Chinese aircraft carrier Fujian. This size allows for increased operational capability, particularly in terms of air power projection. For a focus on drone integration, recent developments indicate that the Type 076 is being designed with the integration of uncrewed combat air vehicles UCAVs, such as the GJ-11 Sharp Sword, in mind. This integration enhances the ship's maritime strike and reconnaissance capabilities, making it versatile for modern naval warfare. Comparative analysis with other amphibious assault ships. Type 075. The Type 075, which precedes the Type 076, has a design primarily focused on rotary-wing operations. It features a single island and is generally viewed as a more traditional amphibious assault ship.
In contrast, the Type 076 dual-island design and emphasis on air operations create a more modern and capable platform. International counterparts. The Type 076 design philosophy aligns closely with Western amphibious assault ships. The UK's Queen Elizabeth class and Italy's Trieste both feature dual-island configurations designed to optimize air operations. However, the Type 076's focus on advanced drone technologies may set it apart from these vessels, highlighting a shift towards a more integrated approach to naval warfare.
Timeline of events. September 2024, the first images of the Type 076 under construction were released, showcasing its twin-island superstructure. October 2024, additional details revealed the ship's expansive flight deck and potential for a catapult system, emphasizing its air operations focus. December 2024, reports indicated ongoing advancements in the ship's design and construction, with expectations for its operational readiness in the near future. Conclusion. The Yulan-class Type 076 signifies a substantial evolution in China's amphibious assault ship capabilities, emphasizing air power and the integration of drone technologies. While it shares certain design elements with international counterparts, its unique blend of features positions it as a formidable asset within the People's Liberation Army Navy. The shift towards advanced air operations and drone integration indicates a strategic transformation in modern naval warfare, enhancing China's ability to project power in the region. References. 1. Center for Strategic and International Studies. Size. China's massive next-generation amphibious assault ship takes shape. CSS https://www.size.org/analysis/China's massive next-generation amphibious assault ship takes shape. 2. The War Zone. China's monster amphibious assault ship has twin-island superstructures optimized for aviation ops. The Warzone apps /www.twz.com/newsfeatures/ China's monster amphibious assault ship has twin-island superstructures optimized for aviation ops. 3. Radio Free Asia. China launches new amphibious assault ship. Radio Free Asia /www.rfa.org/English/China/2024/12/27/launch amphibious assault ship/. The content outlines the features and strategic significance of China's Yulan class Type 076 amphibious assault ship, emphasizing its advanced design capabilities and its comparison to other amphibious assault ships, particularly the Type 075 and international counterparts like the UK's Queen Elizabeth class and Italy's Trieste. The following points delve into counterintuitive aspects of the information presented. 1. Twin island configuration. While it may seem counterintuitive for an amphibious assault ship which traditionally prioritizes troop and vehicle deployment to integrate a design more commonly associated with aircraft carriers, this twin island setup is actually a strategic enhancement. It allows for improved air operations, suggesting a shift in the role of such ships from mere transport of forces to multi-role platforms capable of air dominance and support in maritime conflicts. 2. Focus on drones over rotary-wing aircraft. The Type 076's emphasis on integrating advanced drones in fixed-wing aircraft might initially appear paradoxical for an amphibious assault ship, which has typically centered on helicopters. This shift indicates a broader trend in naval warfare where unmanned systems are prioritized for strike and reconnaissance roles, reflecting a move towards more sophisticated and less crew-dependent operational capabilities. 3. Size and role evolution. The Type 076 is larger than its predecessor, the Type 075, yet smaller than China's latest aircraft carrier, the Fujian. This size variation suggests a unique operational niche rather than a direct comparison to traditional roles of amphibious assault ships. Instead of merely serving as a landing platform, the Type 076 design indicates a dual purpose, augmenting amphibious operations while enhancing air power, which could redefine engagement strategies in naval warfare. For electromagnetic launch systems, the anticipation of an electromagnetic aircraft launch system EMALS on the Type 076 suggests a counterintuitive approach to amphibious assault ships which have not typically utilized such technology. This reflects an evolving understanding of how amphibious operations can leverage advanced technologies to launch heavier and potentially more capable air assets, thereby transforming the operational landscape. 5. Integration of uncrewed combat air vehicles UCAVs. The integration of UCAVs like the GJ-11 Sharpsword may challenge traditional notions of crewed aircraft superiority in naval engagements. The focus on drone capabilities within the Type 076 could suggest a significant shift in doctrine where unmanned systems may take precedence in future conflict scenarios, enhancing strike reconnaissance and electronic warfare capabilities at reduced risk to personnel. 6. Strategic shift in naval warfare. The overall narrative emphasizes that the Type 076 represents not just an evolution in design but a strategic pivot for the People's Liberation Army Navy plan. The vessel signifies an intention to project power in a more versatile manner, enabling operations that blur the lines between traditional amphibious assault roles and modern air warfare capabilities, which might be unexpected given historical trends in naval ship roles. 7. Potential for future developments. The rapid development of the Type 076 suggests a proactive approach to naval modernization that may not align with the more gradual evolution seen in other navies. The expectation that the Type 076 will soon be operational despite its advanced features indicates a significant investment in rapid technological advancement, which contrasts with the often slower pace of military shipbuilding elsewhere. These counterintuitive elements collectively indicate a paradigm shift in how amphibious assault ships are conceptualized and utilized, emphasizing a more complex and integrated role in modern naval warfare that transcends traditional classifications.
The report on China's Yulan-class Type 076 amphibious assault ships reveals several critical elements that may be overlooked by those focusing on the surface-level features of the ship. Here are the crucial insights that stand out along with their significance. 1. Twin island superstructure design. The twin island configuration is a significant advancement in naval design, allowing for a separation of functions that enhances operational efficiency. This design is not merely aesthetic, it represents a strategic choice in modern naval warfare. The ability to manage air operations more effectively is fundamental in contemporary conflicts where air superiority is paramount. This design also facilitates the operation of a diverse air wing including advanced drones, which is critical as naval forces increasingly rely on unmanned systems for reconnaissance and strikes. Significance: the twin island architecture indicates a shift towards more complex and integrated naval operations. It suggests that the Type 076 is being designed with a comprehensive air strategy that could redefine how amphibious operations are conducted. 2. Focus on air operations over traditional roles. The Type 076's emphasis on air operations, particularly its larger flight deck and potential catapult system, signifies a departure from traditional amphibious assault ship roles that primarily focus on rotary-wing operations. This shift towards accommodating fixed-wing aircraft and drones places the Type 076 in a new category of amphibious assault capabilities, aligning it with modern requirements for versatility in combat scenarios. Significance: this focus on air operations could allow the People's Liberation Army Navy plan to project power more effectively and conduct complex operations that require rapid deployment of air assets. It sets a precedent for future amphibious assault ships to be designed with similar capabilities. 3. Integration of drone technologies. The anticipated integration of uncrewed combat air vehicles UCAVs such as the GJ-11 Sharp Sword highlights a crucial trend in naval warfare: the increasing reliance on drones for strike capabilities and intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance ISR. The Type 076 is poised to serve as a platform that can effectively deploy and support these advanced systems. Significance: this integration signifies a broader strategic shift where unmanned systems are becoming central to naval operations. The ability to conduct missions without risking crewed aircraft enhances operational flexibility and reduces vulnerability in contested environments. 4. Comparative analysis with international vessels. While the Type 076 shares design elements with Western counterparts like the UK's Queen Elizabeth class and Italy's Trieste, its unique blend of features, especially the emphasis on drones, distinguishes it. The report suggests that this could set a new standard for amphibious assault ships, making them more multifunctional and adaptable to various mission profiles. Significance: understanding the comparative advantages of the Type 076 against international designs is crucial for assessing its potential impact on global naval dynamics. It positions China's naval capabilities in a competitive context, demonstrating an ability to innovate and adapt in a way that could challenge existing naval powers. 5. Strategic implications of enhanced air power. The report indicates that the Type 076 could alter the balance of power in the region by enhancing China's ability to project air power over long distances. This capability is vital for scenarios involving Taiwan or other regional disputes where rapid deployment of air assets could be decisive. Significance: the implications of enhanced air power extend beyond immediate military applications. They influence geopolitical stability and the strategic calculations of other nations in the Indo-Pacific region. The ability to project power through advanced naval platforms could alter alliances and provoke shifts in defense postures among neighboring countries. 6. Rapid development timeline. The construction timeline of the Type 076, with significant advancements from September to December 2024. Showcases China's aggressive shipbuilding agenda. The rapid pace of development reflects a commitment to modernizing its naval forces quickly, which could enable faster operational deployment. Significance: this rapid development may serve as a warning to regional adversaries about China's growing military capabilities. It underscores the urgency with which nations must respond to shifts in military technology and doctrine. Conclusion: the Yulan-class Type 076 amphibious assault ship epitomizes China's strategic pivot towards integrating advanced air operations and drone technology into its naval architecture. The significance of its design features, operational capabilities, and rapid development cannot be understated, as they herald a new era in amphibious warfare and regional power projection. Understanding these nuances is essential for grasping the evolving landscape of modern naval warfare and the implications for global security dynamics. 1. Twin-island superstructure. The Yulan-class Type 076 features a twin-island configuration that significantly enhances air operations. This design allows for a separation of navigational and flight control functions, which is crucial for managing a diverse air wing. The presence of twin islands is a strategic choice that simplifies operations, particularly with the expected integration of advanced drones and fixed-wing aircraft. 2. Enhanced air operations capabilities. The Type 076 is designed with a larger flight deck and potential catapult systems such as an electromagnetic aircraft launch system (EMALS). These features allow for the launch of heavier drones and fixed-wing aircraft, which marks a significant evolution from traditional amphibious assault ships that primarily focused on rotary-wing aircraft. The emphasis on air power indicates a shift in naval warfare strategies. 3. Drone integration focus. The integration of uncrewed combat air vehicles (UCAVs) like the GJ-11 Sharpsword is a pivotal aspect of the Type 076 design. The twin-island configuration facilitates the operation of both crewed and uncrewed aircraft, expanding the ship's capabilities in maritime strike and reconnaissance operations. This focus on drone technology positions the Type 076 as a modern asset within China's naval fleet. For comparative analysis with global counterparts, while the Type 076 shares design similarities with other international amphibious assault ships, particularly in its dual-island configuration, its advanced drone capabilities set it apart. In comparison to the Type 075 and Western counterparts like the UK's Queen Elizabeth class and Italy's Trieste, the Type 076 represents a shift towards a more versatile and technologically advanced amphibious assault ship, enhancing China's naval power projection capabilities. 1. D-Day Operation Overlord. The Allied invasion of Normandy on June 6, 1944 was a pivotal amphibious assault in World War II. This massive operation involved the landing of thousands of troops on the beaches of Normandy, supported by naval bombardments and air cover. The success of D-Day marked the beginning of the liberation of Western Europe from Nazi occupation. Similar to the strategic considerations for the Type 076, D-Day required extensive planning for air and naval support, as well as the integration of various types of military assets to achieve operational objectives. 2. Battle of Incheon. In September 1950, during the Korean War, General Douglas MacArthur executed an amphibious assault at Incheon, which was a daring and strategically significant move. The operation involved landing U.S. Marines behind enemy lines, allowing them to cut off North Korean supply lines and recapture Seoul. The success of the Incheon landing demonstrated the effectiveness of amphibious warfare and highlighted the importance of air superiority and naval support, elements that are also emphasized in the design and operational philosophy of modern amphibious assault ships like the Type 076. 3. Operation Desert Storm. Gulf War. The 1991 military operation to liberate Kuwait from Iraqi occupation involved extensive use of amphibious assault capabilities, particularly by the U.S. Marine Corps. The operation showcased the integration of air, land, and sea forces to achieve rapid results. The planning for Desert Storm included the use of advanced naval vessels, including amphibious assault ships, which were crucial for launching attacks and providing support. The emphasis on coordinating air operations and utilizing new technologies reflects the evolution of amphibious assault strategies, much like the advancements seen in the Type 076. The Yulan class Type 076 amphibious assault ship is a significant advancement in naval warfare capabilities, particularly for the People's Liberation Army Navy plan. As we look to the future, several predictions can be made regarding the Type 076 and its implications within the broader context of global naval power and amphibious operations.
Enhanced naval power projection.
1. Increased operational range. The Type 076's design, which includes a larger flight deck and enhanced air operations capabilities, will allow for extended operational range.
This will enable the plan to project power further from its shores,
particularly in contested maritime regions such as the South China Sea and beyond. The ship's ability to deploy drones for reconnaissance and strike missions will further enhance its operational reach. 2. Focus on joint operations. The integration of advanced drone technology and air operations will enable the Type 076 to conduct joint operations more effectively with other branches of the military, including ground forces and air power. This will lead to more coordinated amphibious assaults, enhancing China's ability to execute complex military operations.
Technological advancements. 3. Drone warfare evolution. The expected integration of uncrewed combat air vehicles UCAVs like the GJ-11 Sharpsword will mark a turning point in naval warfare.
The Type 076 is likely to serve as a platform for testing and deploying new drone technologies, potentially leading to innovations in drone warfare strategies.
This could include enhanced ISR capabilities, electronic warfare, and precision strike capabilities, making the vessel a key asset in modern naval engagements.
4. Potential for hybrid warfare capabilities. The focus on drone technology suggests a shift toward hybrid warfare capabilities where conventional and unconventional military strategies are employed simultaneously. The Type 076 could facilitate operations that integrate cyber warfare, electronic warfare, and traditional kinetic strikes, making it a versatile tool in China's military arsenal.
Strategic implications.
5. Regional power dynamics. The capabilities of the Type 076 may alter the balance of power in the Indo-Pacific region. As China enhances its amphibious assault capabilities, neighboring countries may feel pressured to bolster their own naval forces, potentially leading to an arms race in the region. This could increase tensions, particularly regarding territorial disputes and maritime security. 6. Strengthen amphibious operations. The Type 076's design is tailored for modern amphibious operations, which will likely change the nature of such missions. The ability to deploy a mix of crewed and uncrewed aircraft for assaults will provide the plan with greater flexibility and lethality in amphibious operations, making traditional notions of beach landings more complex. International reactions and adaptations. 7. Global naval developments. The launch of the Type 076 could prompt other nations to reassess their naval strategies and capabilities. Countries such as the United States, India, and those within the NATO alliance may increase investments in their amphibious assault capabilities or develop similar multi-role vessels to counterbalance China's advancements. 8. Collaborative defense initiatives. In response to the enhanced capabilities of the Type 076, allied nations may seek to enhance collaborative defense initiatives. This could include joint training exercises, technology sharing, and increased interoperability among naval forces,
especially in areas of shared interest like the South China Sea. Conclusion.
As the Yulan class Type 076 begins to enter operational status, its implications for naval warfare, regional security dynamics, and global military strategies will be profound. The focus on advanced air operations, drone integration, and hybrid warfare capabilities positions the Type 076 as a pivotal asset in the plan's quest to establish itself as a dominant maritime power. Future developments in this class of ships will not only shape China's military capabilities but may also catalyze significant shifts in geopolitical strategies and naval doctrines worldwide.